Let me tell you the truth. I ain't feel like braiding my whole head, so instead of forcing myself, I decided to make the style work for me. I braided the sides, left the middle out, and sewed hair in that matched the braids. Same vibe, less time, and it still gave what it needed to give. It's boho, it's breezy, and it's a little reminder that ease is allowed. But beneath the style, there's a story. You see, unlearning my trauma feels like being asked to forget the alphabet. Like being told to unread the words I was forced to memorize just to survive. Imagine someone standing over you, asking you to unknow the very letters that shaped your tongue, your thoughts, your instincts, to unspell the stories etched in your nervous system, to rewrite a script written in pain, without a guide, without a pen, without a promise that the blank page will hold you. Healing, they say, is freedom. But first, it's disorientation. It's trying to navigate life with new eyes while the old ones still see. It's not just letting go. It's learning how to live without what once kept you safe. And that feels like trying to forget how to read while the world keeps handing you books written in the language of your past. Don't let that go over your head. Somewhere between survival and softness, I've been doing a lot of unlearning lately. Not just habits, but identities. Versions of me created out of necessity, not desire. But I'm learning that healing isn't about deleting the past. It's about learning to read it differently. With compassion, with context, with control over the pen. So I ask you, what are you unlearning right now? This style might be different, but sometimes the different is exactly where the healing begins.